Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about France's capital city of Paris. This is the capital and largest city of France. With an official estimated population of 2,102,650 residents in January 2023 in an area of more than 105 kilometers, Paris is the fourth largest city in the European Union and the 30th most densely populated city in the world in 2022. Since the 17th century, Paris has been one of the world's major centers of finance, diplomacy, commerce, culture, fashion, and gastronomy, for its leading role in the arts and sciences, as well as its early and extensive system of street lighting. In the 19th century, it became known as the City of Light. The city of Paris is the center of the Île-de-France region, or Paris region, with an official estimated population of 12,271,794 inhabitants in January 2023, or about 19% of the population of France. The Paris region had a GDP of 765 billion euros, $1.064 trillion US. In 2021, the highest in the European Union. According to the Economist Intelligence Unit Worldwide Cost of Living Survey, in 2022, Paris was the city with the 9th highest cost of living in the world. Paris is a major railway, highway, and air transport hub served by two international airports, Charles de Gaulle Airport, the third busiest airport in Europe, and Orly Airport. Opened in 1900, the city's subway system, the Paris Metro, serves 5.23 million passengers daily. It is the second busiest metro system in Europe after the Moscow Metro. Gare du Nord is the 24th busiest railway station in the world and the busiest outside Japan, with 262 million passengers in 2015. Paris has one of the most sustainable transportation systems and is one of only two cities in the world that received the Sustainable Transport Award twice. Paris is known for its museums and architectural landmarks. The Louvre received 8.9 million visitors in 2023, on track for keeping its position as the most visited art museum in the world. The Musée d'Orsay, Musée Marmottan Monet, and Musée de l'Orangerie are noted for their collections of French Impressionist art. The Pompidou Centre Musée National d'Art Moderne, Musée Rodin, and Musée Picasso are noted for their collections of modern and contemporary art. The historical district along the Seine in the city center has been classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1991. Paris is home to several United Nations organizations including UNESCO, as well as other international organizations such as the OECD Development Center, the International Bureau of Weights and Measures, the International Energy Agency, the International Federation for Human Rights, along with European bodies such as the European Space Agency, the European Banking Authority and the European Securities and Markets Authority. The football club Paris Saint-Germain and the rugby union club Stade Français are based in Paris. The 81,000-seat Stade de France, built for the 1998 FIFA World Cup, is located just north of Paris in the neighboring commune of Saint-Denis. Paris hosts the annual French Open Grand Slam tennis tournament on the red clay of Roland Garros. Paris hosted the Olympic Games in 1900, 1924 and is currently hosting the 2024 Summer Olympics. The 1938 and 1998 FIFA World Cups, the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup, the 2007 Rugby World Cup, as well as the 1960, 1984 and 2016 UEFA European Championships were held in Paris. Every July, the Tour de France bicycle race finishes on the Avenue de Champs-Élysées in Paris. Paris is the most beautiful and most visited city in the world. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comments and share.